So here's what I see. All the step flashing along the wall looks good and it's present. This pipe flashing is new. There's no nails in the flashing. When I move this flashing, all the shingles moving because that is new flashing right here. Shouldn't be there. It's okay. This is ice and water shield, self-adhesive membrane. It's completely wrong, no nails. So the water will go on the sides. But the craziest thing is you lift up the shingles and none of them are nailed. So we see a hole right here. See that wood? That's the hole. So none of the shingles are holding in place. Whoever done this repair, he took all those nails out and never put anything back. So now we have air pockets in every row. So most likely with a heavy wind and heavy rain, it will get filled up and it will get leakage. Yeah, we gotta rework this whole area.